Hey, bird. Hi, bird. Did you come by to visit today? Hey, would you be interested in maybe some little fresh pecan chips? Would you like to come down here and see if there's any pecan chips? You know, my camera won't zoom very well and it's this cold. It's really hard, but the focus may not be good either. It's really cold. Oh, you want me to back up so you can come down to the porch? Well, okay. Let's just back up and see if you'll come down. My goodness. Oop, we just backed into something. Hey, bird. For those who don't know, the chairs on my porch are to keep these guys from getting on my porch to eat up all the bird food. And what are all you guys doing out there? What are all these Deerses doing? Hey, bird. You watching to see if that bluebird will come on my porch and beat you to all those pecans? Oh, you're having a forest hall meeting. Well, don't everybody talk at once here. Goodness gracious. Let's go see if that bird will come on down. You guys just, y'all behave yourselves. Hey, bird. I know he's up there, but he's wondering about this camera in my hand. Come on, bird. We don't have all day, you know. I know you want to come visit. He's just sitting there longer than usual. And I'll tell you, it's probably about 10 degrees out here. If I was him and I'd had to sleep in this all night, I wouldn't be very, very quick either. Oh, here he is. Hey, bird. Hey, big old bird. What are you doing over there with your big blue self? He said, well, I'm over here checking out everything. In case I have to go over here to this other pile, too. Hey, buddy. We have to put pecan chips in 5 different places. And every day, Mr. Bird here will go to all 5 different locations and have a few nibbles. And he'll get a beak full and fly off up into the woods. And in a little while, he'll be back. And meanwhile, I heard some little finches over there. They're going to probably come over here to see what they can do. Now, there is an example of why those 2 chairs are on my porch. There better not be any Deerses trying to get up on my porch. There better not be any Deerses wanting to do that. That's right. I know they just had a forest hall meeting right before I got out today. And you won't believe what they were talking about. We'll probably go into that a little bit later in another little video. Meanwhile, the camera's cold, I'm cold, and it's cold out here. So let's cut. Alright, Deerses, y'all better behave when I go inside. That's all I can say. Here's these little guys. Everybody's finding out there's fresh pecans.